problem to Uno.
But he was going on. We have problem to Uno. Like, you know, come here, so I saw the video. If we don't come here, I feed you, I saw the video.
Thank you, I love Dewey and Queen. Thank you, the vibes.
Like, I feel like you're supposed to appreciate it, you know. I was in our get in here. You are here to tell you. I'm going to do this song. That's nice. Oh, the white one for those. Why? That's I'm the Queen. What is this? What is that? Manasseh, let me tell you why. Show you something. Why is the dog? The puppy. What? Nice to see you there. Wow! I will play that. Why? Who was that? Crazy level of illness. I'm pulling out. I'm excited. Reunited. Don't put the line, crazy. Don't put the line. Get your time. See the time is what? Now. This is what? Una clown in the fucking idiot. And them a clown. The whole I want to sit down and put up and sit down and laugh after me. Who drop a crown? Who say yes? And on the square, all of reunited, that of course. Stevie. Is you respect me there? Reunited plan. I've been up your woman, I've been reunited. I'm excited. I'm right here. Everyone can chat this. Okay, we can do our chat this. Yeah, we can chat this. Come here, the kiss of the wife. Come. Wow. One more. What's how many kisses? One I love. Yeah, I get it. Ready, come on. Go ahead. I want to go this somebody. No? No? Do you done wash? Much of them still are crossover, so we're clones. So what happened to that? If you're a clone, yeah. Yeah, the circus, owner. Yeah, most of the circus owner to blood. No, that. No crossover this one. This is no crossover. Views. Everyone crossover that. That you crossover. Come live some life in the countryside. A matter of fact, but dogs in a country again. Here is classified as a city. Okay? Yes, the second city of Jamaica. You're the chicken that's cooking that pot already. Hey. That's why crazy. I'm so greedy. Do you put the stuff on the line? Yeah. Them done wash already? I'm putting my husband in a love wash. I can't bother. Wait there, what want me to come over here for route 2 where when you rotating, my husband has a break up? So I want to write all of them something. I want to think we're going to do one go left and one go right. When we're having problem, we have a problem. Nothing to do. Queen and man clown. On the record scratch. So fucking what if I'm a man clown? I don't want to be a fucker box. I don't want to be a whore. I want to be a man clown. So can you write a
Let me change. No, I'm not going to change. That's what I like. That's my fancy. And everybody can be man guinea can. Neither man clown, man mascot. No come over here for insult me. Wish you luck and all the best, man. I want to go, man. Stop it. I can't stop this. Love. Yeah. Love. Make it do your house and them sell it. If my house, them come back fast and sell the house.
I mean, they said, no, no more that.
I try to buy the kind of body no one.
From all the deposit, it will get blood clot cell. Remember me tell you that?
But even the house and them sell it, I will explore.
Explore. Me sell it for 10 million. And then call it that. Don't get those, don't get mail for you. I said it. Hey, bad, no bad. No more that.
Sell the house, take me like I spend out the money as I pull out. Yeah. Number one, next. Finish. You know, it's something that nobody not married to you. Enough of them man walking out for years. And could have them money and class and do no answer. I would never give them the other to be honest. That's why I'm stand up for what go so much. Yeah, I just do the house and them come back and say, do we sell that? So we sell it. You know, do we not say, can they sell the ring? Them sell the TV. What do you? Sunday morning. What do you do? I move out and fuck them. And do I do it? I learn to do it here, do it. But now I said, okay, no, Mrs. laughed himself. I said, what was everything that the belly for said? We said, no, I said, the belly back, keep in bed. He said, okay. So at least. What is it? Mr. The man keep out the bed. Mr. Wow. Sir, the man said, no, I said the bed, but I said, I all comfort belly. They said, when they sleep in a bed, they have to sleep in beauty. That's true. Every time you come out to that bed, it's sleep in beauty and just sleep away. So, what them say, Fairback? What do you expect? Hmm? We are jealous and not jealous of me and my husband. Move your blood clot. Your man sell batty. Your man is a walking, talking, lying batty man. Where your man sell batty? Move your blood clot. Your man a batty man. What up with the music?
Myself, I swear for myself, you can't save me. Nah, boy. No more that. Nah, boy, can't put no plastic on and say, man. You come up that head.
The music is sure, man, I'm black. You can't get too familiar. I look like do a fuck and duck you. Move your blood clot. I told you, I said, see, no, do a fuck out up on the dirty blood clot. I run come back to your wife. See? And I say, yeah, man, no fuck on the one, man. Move on the blood clot. I mean, take fuck and suck cock. Move on the blood clot. Yeah, and that only where you type. So the man fuck and up you. Move your blood clot. Class out on the dirty blood clot on the two now. Hold on there, but how many want to clean this place? Me no about no upstairs my husband see me. Fuck out on the dirty blood clot. And get up. Yeah, man. Where, man? No. That's all no ignorance, so. But I no lie, I no do that type. One minute. Yeah. Every minute you no come. No day. Thank you. Yeah, man. Love me and my husband are no poor man. When them run around under the get on a little time and I never met no youth side class, if I don't make good youth side to move to the right after. If we didn't make use of him. Of course. much war. I don't know much dirty life. Look how much dirty life me and this man live. Look now. Queen here sad as fuck. No, I'm not sad. I'm glad. I'm glad. I can't be sad. I've got my husband right here. Can't sad when I have my heartbeat right there for my heart string. My heart string come down. I'm not sad. At 6 months, I sit down and see the whole on and make feel nice. I'm sit down and hold my own. Picture, man. Yeah, things. Ask them if them are things. Yeah, things. Be nice, man. As we turn out, we'll have to come over here for cosplay. Do it. Do it, don't do it. Yeah. Number one wife to walk. Watch out. But we say wait there now. So no one so I made him the real kiss. So they took them from out that's at the time. You want to see cocky going at pussy, that's the one see, man. Watch you now. No man, I cocky and pussy you want see, man. You imagine right now me and do a fuck and you get orgasm. 2 words. And you get orgasm don't. You go no orgasm don't. We not get no real kiss. I'm afraid for kiss me. I don't want to no kiss me. The problem, me like the troops from out. I don't want to get no blood clot eat kiss. So I could never get orgasm and never come. Right now, if you don't listen me and do. What you need? Dorisha Scarlett? When you Dorisha Scarlett? Come back, Dewey. Don't make Dorisha Scarlett drop him right flat. Put on the dress. And do it. When I go, man, as people turn on them live when I come over here and cuss people. I'm not uncomfortable in the lives, man. I just want us to come here to